welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about bruxism. Bruxism is nothing but clenching or grinding your teeth knowingly or unknowingly in our subconscious mind. So what causes this bruxism and what leads due to this bruxism? So come, let's see all these in this video in detail. Bruxism is nothing but grinding or clenching your teeth knowingly or unknowingly in our subconscious mind. So what causes bruxism? Bruxism is broadly classified into two: diurnal bruxism and nocturnal bruxism, where diurnal bruxism is nothing but daytime bruxism which happens consciously or in subconscious mind, and it can occur along with parafunctional habits. Nocturnal bruxism is nothing but nighttime bruxism which happens in subconscious mind and we cannot notice it. So both diurnal and nocturnal bruxism is caused due to emotional imbalance and control of frustration, anger, stress and other sort of emotions, which leads to psychological disorders, which leads to bruxism. So how can we identify whether we have bruxism or not? When we have bruxism, we find joint pain, or sometimes you feel like ear pain, which is not actually ear pain. It is your joint pain which resembles as your ear pain, and mild headache along this joint that is known as temple, and the muscles get tired and tightness will be felt in your muscles and difficulty in opening and closure of your jaw is felt. And when you have nocturnal bruxism, all these symptoms will be seen when you are awake in the morning. And you also find your teeth to be untreated, that is, your teeth size will be reduced and the exposure of your inner layers of your tooth will be exposed, which results in higher amount of teeth sensitivity. And it also results in mobility of your tooth and loosening of your tooth, and you find bleeding of your gums in the mornings if you have nocturnal bruxism, or daytime bruxism we have frequent bleeding of your gums and recession of your gums leading to mobility of your tooth. In normal terms, the jaws rest with 2 mm gap between the two jaws. When we are not using our mouth, unconsciously we get this gap between the two jaws, but when we have bruxism, the gap is closed and they start grinding it in this way with a heavier force, so which results in chipping of your tooth and attrition of your tooth, which results in exposure of your inner layers, and it results in sensitivity. And due to heavy load on your tooth without any need, it results in loosening of your tooth and weakening of your tooth, where the gingiva is subsided down and easily the microorganisms enter your teeth and results in mobility and gum bleeding and tooth loss. So if precautions are not taken for this bruxism, they lead to severe TMJ problems like joint disorders and joint pain. So if you notice any of these symptoms, please visit your dentist and take treatment for your damages caused due to bruxism, and they give you a transparent retainer which prevent your teeth from further damages, and it also prevents the joint pain. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.